am going to present a very quick recipe for mutton curry. It is potato in mutton with whole spices. So let's start. Heat oil, add whole spices. I have taken 2 black cardamoms, half teaspoon of black peppercorns and 3 to 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. We are going to roast our spices till the aroma of the whole spices is infused in our oil. Then we are going to add 500 grams of mutton. We will roast our mutton till the color is slightly changed. The color is changed. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, we are going to saute our ginger and garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Now add 1 cup of onion paste. We will roast our onion paste till the excess moisture is evaporated. As the onion paste is roasted, we are going to add our dry spices, in which we have taken 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We will roast our dry spices for few seconds. Now we are going to add 1 cup of tomato puree, which will give it a little tangy flavor, salt to taste, and cook it for few minutes on medium to low flame till the oil separates. Oil has started to release. Now we are going to add half cup of water and pressure cook our mutton till 2 whistles on high flame, and then keep it on low flame till our mutton is 90% cooked. Our mutton is almost done. Now we are going to add 1 cup of potatoes, which are cut in cubes, 8 to 10 green chilies. Mix it and roast our potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Our potatoes are roasted nicely. Now we are going to add hot water, adjusting the consistency we need in our gravy. We are going to add a little more water so that our potatoes can be cooked till they are soft and tender. Once our potatoes are done, we are going to transfer it to a serving dish. Our mutton curry is ready. Garnish it with some chopped fresh coriander leaves. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.